Welcome back to Ultralord Music Production. With you forever, the Ultralord, your mother's favorite producer. Today we're going to be talking about the basics of mastering and what mastering really is in terms of what to do and everything. This is actually the first episode of my mini-series where I'm just talking about the basics of mastering. We're going to go into a deep dive on mastering and we're going to check everything out. But first of all, let's just give a definition of what mastering is. Mastering is the final step of audio post-production. The purpose of mastering is to balance sonic elements of a stereo mix and optimize playback across all systems and media formats. Traditionally, mastering is done using tools like equalization, compression, limiting, and stereo enhancement. So kind of think of mastering like the final steps where you want to put your polish, you want to put your glue on the track and then make everything sound together and cohesive, make everything sound consistent throughout an album, and making sure that track that you have done doesn't stand out too great compared to every other song. First, I want to actually talk about the differences between mixing and mastering. All right, so mixing. What is mixing? Mixing is all about getting individual parts of the instrument to work as a song. Think of it like building a car. All the parts of the car need to come together for it to run properly. The mix down process is all about making sure that all the parts are in place. In a mix, you're going to have a 12 tracks or multi-tracks, and you want to put them together and you're going to individually mix all the songs for it until it gels and be cohesive and it's a song. Now, mastering. Think of mastering like the best car wash ever. You want your new car to look as slick, as shiny as possible. Mastering polishes everything to a perfect shine. It puts gas in the car and oils all the moving parts to perform best as possible. So what do mastering engineers do? So like I said in the beginning, they will take the song, put it at an appropriate level, use limiting and compression very generously to make the song sound as refined and polished as possible. But just be warned, you can't take a bad mix to a mastering engineer and think that the song's gonna come out sounding nice. You're gonna need a little bit of both. You're gonna need a lot of great mixing and great mastering. Please follow on these next videos where you can talk about compression, limiting, and EQing in mastering. I'll check you out in the next one.